How about this? You're a web designer, right, Will?
I used to be.
You're a developer.
Yeah. You're in there.
Yeah.
Oh.
The new White House website, some people noticed it was redone to deal with the new president, and there was a nice little hidden message in there for coders, and it was hidden inside of
Spectre.
Yeah, if you inspect Element or whatever, and people were glancing through it because they noticed that things had changed a little bit, and inside of the code was this one line which said, if you're reading this, we need your help building back better, and then a link to usds.gov/apply. And so apparently they wanted designers, engineers, product managers to notice this, actually, so they could recruit for the U.S. federal government to improve services. And this was for the United States Digital Service. I don't know exactly what you do inside of the digital service. I presume...
Make websites?
I presume you're doing what Willie Doo does. The USDS is a technology unit that works across the U.S. federal government to improve services. All right, cool. So anyway, they gave a shout out to the devs. And you know what the devs love, Will? They love a shout out.
Oh, you're going to say something obvious. Like, oh, they like coding.